pride. Nakalimutan na natin, some of them are privileges. And we tend to go on with living in other cultures or culture the way they are, which is not Filipino, to adapt. At sasabihin na natin, obligasyon naman na yan eh. Trabaho naman yan eh. Dapat lang. Yan. Ano yung narinig ko yan sa conversation? And so what? Hindi ba naman masama tayo matutong maging mapagpasalamat? Or a simple appreciation of what God gave us and our parents provided us, or even our schools providing us, or even the government there is. So my point is, while it is some of it are rights, but most of it are privileges. Papalala ko, tinuro sa akin ng aking mga teacher noong elementary. Ang hindi lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi mararating sa sarap. I just want you to be appreciative, and there is no harm saying thank you to the people that who have helped you achieving your dreams. Mga kabataan, itong tipo ng salita ito ang pinaka-boring na part ng isang public conversation. But I ought to speak that way today because I believe kakaiba ang Batang Maynila. Ang Batang Maynila, magalang, masipag, mabiligan, bukod sa maganda at guwapo pa. And I do believe in that. Kung hindi ko ginamit ang sipag at abilidad at paglingon sa aking mga nakasama, malamang wala ko sa harapan nito. So, I'm sharing you some tricks in life. But more than anything else, today, we're together. Maybe we're going to learn something from one another, among each other. But I would like to remind you, mamaya, pag-ischedule nyo na, wayo na, amoy promise sa sa'yo sa mga tubs. You will go home. And I hope that you still have both of your parents. Sana buhay pa ang nanay at tatay ninyo. Ako yun, bilang lubos na sa magulang. Wala pa akong kapatid. I'm happy for you, di ba? Don't miss the opportunity today. And why not? Say thank you to your parents, to your mom, to your dad, sa tatay niyo, sa nanay mo. Hindi makinig ka kasusunod kay barbaridad at pakialam mo sa inyong magkakasusunod. But you have an opportunity today to make your parents feel that you love them. Huwag niyong sayangin ang oportunidad na yun. To say the word, I love you, to say thank you, and even in text or whatever way, paano mga show our gratitude to our parents and love and care. Habang may panahon pa. Tapos pag wala na nangyayari, kahit 1,000 beses mong gawin, kahit 1,000,000 beses mong panangin, hindi na nila yan malalaman. So, kung meron man akong gustong impart, more than what you're going to learn through the leadership of Youth Bureau and SK Federation, I just want us Manileño, to show to the country that kahit tayo nasa highly urbanized setting, we love our elders. We value our elders. We value and love our parents. And we know who we are. We are Manileño. Kami ay mga batang Maynila. Katulad ng tinuring sa kanta kanina, ng awit ng Maynila. Anong sinasabi? Maynila, Maynila, dalhin mo ang Manila. Then, let's start from there. Our attitude towards our parents is showing love and care and appreciation for them. So, maaaring gawin nyo, maaaring hindi. But, again and again, parang sinampa ha, paulit-ulit kong sinasabi at paulit-ulit kong sasabihin, don't miss the opportunity to make them feel that you really love and care. So for now, I wish you all the best and safety. Pag kailangan ninyo ng doxycycline, available sa aking mga hospital at center. Dahil alam ko, pag bumagyo, malamang sa hindi, may pasok pa rin kayo. At malamang sa hindi, nasa baha kayo. And I don't want you to get infected. It's very dangerous nowadays. I hope the leaders of this country, some leaders of this country learn the lessons of their mistakes and not for our children, the next generation, not to suffer the same thing that we are suffering today. But we must continue to move forward, and in our political liaison of government unit, may mga gawin po kami na makapagdadagdag ang kaligtasan at proteksyon sa bawat isa. So I wish you all the best, and may God continue to guide and bless each and every one of you. Congratulations, Youth Bureau. Congratulations, SK Federation. Congratulations, mga kabataan ng lungsod ng Maynila. Sino ang manalo? Team Nanay o Team Adams? May pasok pa rin yung yan. So, ingat kayo tayo na kayo. Maraming salamat. Manila! That was, thank you.
Para sa ngayon? Ha?
And this is the recognition will be presented by the Youth Development and Welfare Bureau Director John D. Alvaro, Councilor Yanga Iba, and Chairperson of Technology, Ma and Swansea.